to offer clients finance on the Faces desktop website. On the navigation menu, click Finance Lender. On the finance screen, you will find an overview of the interest and borrowing limits. Click Send to Client. You can send it to an existing client or manually enter the details of a new client. Once sent, the client will receive an email which looks like this. They must click on the link in the email to take them to the finance page. Here they can select the amount they wish to borrow and the payment plan. The calculator will show them the monthly repayment amount. Then they fill out the required information, which checks to see if they are eligible for finance. Once filled out, the client clicks Check My Eligibility. It will tell the client immediately if they are eligible for finance. If eligible, they can immediately receive the funds and pay you directly for their treatments. Hope that helps. Welcome to Faces Buy Now, Pay Later. We really appreciate you choosing Faces, and we are excited to introduce you to our new feature. In this video, we will be going through how to use the Pay Later feature to send to your clients. Currently, the Pay Later feature is only available when you log into your account via the Faces Consent website. Log into your account on www.facesconsent.com, and when on the Faces dashboard, click New Consent Form under the Consent Form drop-down menu. Fill out the consent form information as usual and toggle on Allow Client to apply for finance at the bottom of the consent form. When the pop-up alerts, click Yes, then click Save. You may also want to forward a consent form to your client before their appointment. From the Faces dashboard, go to Consent Form drop-down menu and click Forward Consent Forms. Fill out the usual consent form information and untoggle Request Deposit Online and toggle on Allow Client to apply for finance. Sign and click Send. The consent form will be emailed to the client. They will fill in the usual medical questions, sign and submit. When they submit, a pop-up will appear with information on how to finance their treatment through Pay Later. They simply click Yes to spread their payment. They will be directed to the application page. Here in Step 1, they can select the amount to borrow and calculate over how many months they wish to spread the payment. In Step 2, they will fill out their own information. It is important that all information given matches credit cards and credit statements. In Step 3, they will be asked to provide account details. On completion, a soft credit check will be undertaken from the information they have provided, and they should receive an instant decision. For more information, please see the FAQs on the Faces Consent website or contact the Faces team via the information shown. Hope that helps.